Hello, it's Angie from Trips with Angie. Let's take a peek at Hilton La Romana, an adults-only family all-inclusive resort located about an hour from the Punta Cana airport. The entire resort was renovated in 2019 as it transitioned from being Dreams La Romana. Part of the renovation was the creation of this brand new adults-only section. So here in the adults-only lobby, you have your coffee shop as well as your lobby bar and club-level lounge. Both the adults and the family side each have their own buffet. The adults only side has this great Asian restaurant where it features an a la carte menu as well as your teppanyaki tables. And over here on the left is your sushi counter. So lots of great options there. Let's take a peek at the club area. So this is a private pool area for the guests who have booked a club level room. There's also a private beach area. You'll see it has a nice large pool, its own swim up bar. I love that they put these jets that are normally only found in hydrotherapy areas here. You also have your private whirlpool. Heading towards the beach, we get to Noor. This is the Mediterranean restaurant for dinner. It's also open for breakfast and lunch for club level guests. Now let's take a peek at one of the premium suites. This is a premium suite garden view on the adults only side. Yes, that was a half bath as you entered the room. Then you have a nice living room area with your dining table, as well as a separate bedroom with a king size bed. In here you'll find your second bathroom with the jacuzzi tub, the stand-up shower, the sink, and the toilet. This is considered a garden view even though the building is ocean front because you have a view of the resort in between you and the ocean. It has this nice large patio with a large table, so definitely a great place if you're celebrating something special. Kyoba is a garden restaurant. It's located right there in the garden on the beach. It offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then over here, elevated on this deck is Mare. This is the seafood dinner restaurant. So this is specialty dining for dinner, a la carte seafood restaurant that's included. As you look out onto the beach, this is the club level beach access. You can see you can walk straight down the beach right into the water. There's day beds and palapas available. Next to that, you're going to find the main pool area. So this is open to all guests. You have your swim up bar as well as your great infinity edge pool. You know I love those infinity edge pools. Do you? Give me a like or a comment. Let me know. Now this is the regular beach access. So you can see there's not as many umbrellas and you have a big step down as you get into the beach. So you can't walk right down the beach into the water like you can on the club level side. This is just to give you a peek at some of the swim up suites as you walk back towards the resort. So the resort has several buildings. Now we are crossing over to the family side. Right by the family side buffet, you're going to find the resident flamingos. So let's take a look at one of the rooms on the family side. This is a premium garden view. So one of the more standard rooms you'll find here at the resort. Again, you'll see they've been all updated with your patio. If you're on an upper level, this would be a balcony. I do want to point out these rooms do not have bathtubs. So on the family side, you do not get a bathtub unless you go up to the suite levels. So walking through, you'll see your barbecue, your casual poolside dining, so you don't have to get dressed up or swim out of your swimsuit to come and grab some fresh made pizza from the pizza oven you can see there. This is the family pool area with its own swim up bar. This resort will also have a water park. It wasn't finished at the time of my visit, but if you want to take a peek, go look at the Hyatt Cap Cana video I made. It's going to be the exact same water park. This is the family beach area that's open to everyone. And then as you head towards the resort, you get into the kids club area and the restaurants. So there's the games for the older kids as well as the supervised kids program. Next to that is the club level beach area. There is also a club level pool area and a club level lounge. In the lobby, you're going to find a coffee shop and a lobby bar, just like the adult side. Then the restaurants on this side are the French restaurant, the Italian restaurant, and the grill restaurant, which is here in beach front. So you have those three restaurants as well as the buffet available on the family side in addition to the casual dining around the pool and beach side. Then there's this beautiful pier that's very popular for private events or weddings. You can also use this deck for a reception. Thank you so much for watching. I post new videos every Tuesday. And if you sign up to get them delivered to your inbox, I have a few extra bonuses for you. The link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're ready to book, let me know.